Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Google form without the sign-in requirement. So here, first I'm going to create the Google form. So I'm going to just use the template from the Google form. Okay, so in here, if you go to the setting, Google form, and then click on the responses drop down, you can see now this uh, feature is activated and the respondent will be required to sign in. So if you don't want to have the sign in requirement, you can just turn this off. And here the collect email addresses, please make sure that this option is enabled, do not collect, and you are done. So that's how you can create a Google form without sign in requirement. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.